Lunch and Lettering. My name is Abby, and today we're going to be making a fun little 4th of July treat, red, white, and blue strawberries. Let's get started. Our ingredients for this patriotic treat are white chocolate chips, blue sprinkles, and strawberries. Our first step is to melt our chocolate. Watch it carefully because white chocolate easily burns. Then, we dip our strawberries in the chocolate. Be sure to leave some red showing. Then place it in the fridge for 5 to 10 minutes and let them cool. Then, you dip your strawberry in just the tip. And then, you kind of put it in the sprinkles. And there you go. Hi guys! Thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel, give a like, and hit the notification bell. And I will see you really soon. And don't forget, I posted all the ingredients and measurements in the description below. Bye!